Okay, this is where I'm gonna put them, right here on this wall. I have a bunch of them. And there's all the bunk bed and everything, and let's Google. It smells weird. And a red Mustang.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark.